You are not here by chance, but you are watching this video for a reason. Maybe you're trying to purchase that new home, buy the nice new car, take out a business loan to put cash into growing your business. Maybe you want to take out a loan so you can propose to your significant other and finance the wedding. Maybe you want to put the kids through college. Or maybe you want to take out a personal loan to pay off some debt. Whatever your reason is, credit is holding you back. Don't let credit problems hold you back from living life. If credit come up, we have a plan in place that's going to lead you to good credit. We want to educate you on how credit works. There are three major credit bureaus: Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. These three credit bureaus hold millions of credit files on everyone in the United States. No, you don't have to boo the credit bureaus. When we lead you to good credit, you're going to have good credit working on your side, so you're going to love the credit bureaus. We want to teach you how to read and understand your credit report. Let's start with the personal profile. In the personal profile, you're going to find your first name, middle initial, last name, your current address, and also your previous addresses. Let me share something with you. I bet you didn't know that if you have too many addresses on your credit report, that you can be denied credit. Well, we're going to clean that section up for you. It's also going to list your current employer and also your previous employer. The next section is the credit summary section of the credit report. They list all of your accounts that you've opened since you've been using credit. They also list your credit limits for each one of the accounts. And the credit bureaus add all your credit limits together and they come up with your total credit high. They also list all your debt for each one of the accounts. The credit bureaus also add all of your debt up together and they come up with your total debt. The credit bureaus have a formula where they balance your total credit high against your total debt. And they come up with your debt to credit ratio. And they also utilize this in your income to debt ratio. We have techniques where we can increase your credit high, which will in return increase your credit scores. The next section is the public records section. You don't want to have anything in the public records section of your credit report. Judgments, bankruptcies, tax liens, anything that goes to the court system is reported here, and it kills your credit score. The next section is credit inquiries. There are two types of inquiries: there's soft inquiries and hard inquiries. Soft inquiries do not affect your credit score. You can pull your credit online as a consumer through a credit monitoring service. A utility company can pull it, and also an insurance company. Those are all soft inquiries and do not affect the credit score. Hard inquiries: anytime someone pulls your credit to see if they're going to lend you credit, that's a hard inquiry and it will bring your credit score down. Avoid too many hard inquiries within a certain amount of time frame, or it'll really hurt your credit scores. The next section is the account history section. Now, this is the section that we look at. It lists all the accounts on your credit reports, the creditor name, the account number. It lets us know what type of account it is. It shows the 2-year payment history so lenders can see how you pay your bills over the past 2 years. But most importantly, it lets us know what type of account it is, whether it's a positive account, which is good, or a negative account, which is bad. So we know what to remove off the credit report. The next section is the credit score, and they combine all of this information together and they come up with a score, and that's what lenders approve you on. Let's take a look at the credit score guide and risk level. Risk level is how likely you are to stop paying your bills or file for bankruptcy. No bank or lender wants to lend money to someone that's not going to pay them or file bankruptcy to get out of paying them. If your credit score falls between a 750 and 850, it's excellent. The banks look at you like you're no risk at all. They know you pay your bills. If your credit score falls between a 660 and a 749, that's good. That's a low risk. The banks are still going to lend to you. If your credit score falls between a 620 and a 659, that's fair credit. It's a medium risk. They're going to pump the brakes on you. This is going to start getting deep in your business. They want to know how much income you make, how long you've been at your job, all the way down to what color socks you're wearing. If your credit score falls between a 570 and 619, it's poor credit, it's a high risk, and you'll start seeing denials here. If your credit score is a 350 to 569, that's bad credit, and you're extremely high risk, chances are you'll be denied. But if you are approved, you're going to pay dearly with a very high interest rate. Take a look at this credit score guide. See where your credit score falls. And our goal is to get you 660 and above. Let's take a look at what hurts your credit scores. Ooh. When you file bankruptcy, it's estimated to drop your credit scores 120 to 180 points. Aww. Ouch. One late payment, it's estimated can drop your credit scores 80 to 130 points. Having a judgment reported on your credit report, it's estimated it can drop your credit scores 80 to 120 points. Here's a list of the things that drop your credit scores when they report on your credit report. Look over this list. People, please avoid making any of these mistakes. We teach you the laws so you know your rights as a credit consumer. The Consumer Credit Protection Act is a law enacted by Congress to protect consumers from unfair credit practices. It also regulates credit bureaus, collection agencies, and creditors. This law also prevents credit discrimination. The first step in repairing your credit is to know the law, and believe it or not, this law is set to benefit you, the consumer. Learn how to stop collection companies from harassing you for payment. The agreement that you signed was between you and your original creditor. If the collection company's name isn't on the contract, legally, you are not required to pay them. Never pay collection companies. We will show you how. Remove bad debt, charge-offs, collections, inquiries, bankruptcies, judgments, tax liens, repossessions, foreclosures, and more with our custom dispute letters and removal techniques. These letters and techniques work. They utilize the law and they get these things deleted off your credit report. The unlinking process, by far, is one of the most overlooked techniques in removing items off your credit report. Most other companies completely look over this, but not at Credit Comeup. We review your credit report and enter all needed information into our system. We mail a technique to the credit bureaus to unlink and remove certain information from your credit file so their computer system can't link or verify negative accounts to your credit file. Then we send out our first technique. This is how the process works. We mail our account removal letters to the credit bureaus. The credit bureaus have 30 days to complete the investigation process. Upon completion, they start deleting items off your credit report. The most important thing is they mail those items directly to you so you can see what was deleted or verified. Whenever we send out a technique, it takes them 30 days to go through the investigation process, and then they mail out the updated credit reports. Now let's take a look at some results. Here's a TransUnion credit report. You can see under item, the company name, description is the account number, and results, it lets you know if it was deleted. So there are 4 items, and you can see they were all deleted from TransUnion. Here's another TransUnion credit report. You can see the item for the company name, you see the description, and the results. There were 8 items deleted. Here's an Experian credit report. It looks a little bit different, but the format is still the same. It says results. We have completed processing of your disputes. Here are the results. It shows public records. Your bankruptcy was deleted. It shows the CNAC account was deleted. It shows Kia Motors Finance or repossession was deleted. And also shows Scanner Energy, a collection account. We can delete a wide variety of things. Here's the Equifax credit report. This person has a long list of items on their credit report that were deleted. We'll blow it up and show you a few items. This is the Equifax report. It looks different, but the format is still the same. We have researched the collection account. It has the account number, and then it'll say the results. This item has been deleted from credit file. If you have additional questions about this item, please contact Kia Motor Finance. So there was a repossession that was deleted off of Equifax. All right, the next step is to choose your customer service plan. There are 2 plans. You decide how you want to communicate with us. The first plan is a $30 monthly plan. Unlimited customer service 24 hours a day via our messaging platform. You have the ability to send files via computer, cell phone, email, fax, or mail. So you're communicating with us strictly online on our website through the app or through a computer. So this is the first plan. The second plan is for those customers that need a little bit of phone time every month. This plan is $60 per month. And you receive 3 phone calls per month. That's up to 20 minutes talk time per phone call. And then you also receive unlimited customer service via our messaging platform, 24 hours a day, the ability to send files via computer, cell phone, email, fax, or mail. Download our app. CreditComeup.com now has an app. We're available on the App Store. You can also get it on Google Play Store. So it doesn't matter whether you have Team iPhone or Team Android. We have an app available for your download. You can also visit our website at creditcomeup.com from your computer, from your iPad, or notepad. Let's take a look at the removals packages. Earlier, you chose your customer service package. That's how you want to communicate with us and have your file serviced. But this section is the removals package. You know, the deletions. Inquiries package is $500, and we will remove up to 25 total inquiries from your credit report. Our next package is the collections package, and it's $500, and we will remove up to 10 collections from your credit report. We have a payment plan for you on that. You can choose 2 monthly payments of $250. When you make your first payment, we start working on that. Collections and charge-offs. This package is $1,000, up to 15 collection accounts removed, and up to 5 charged-off credit cards will be removed. Here are the payment plans. You can choose 3 monthly payments of $333.50, or you can choose 4 monthly payments of $250. When you make your first payment, we start working. If you stop paying, we put a hold on your account. If you stop paying your customer service fee and your payment plan on the removals, we cancel you out the system and you forfeit what you've paid. So make sure you keep that customer service plan going, and also make your payments on your removals package. Our larger removal packages. When I say larger, this means we delete the larger accounts, the heavy things on your credit report, the things that are really bringing the scores down. We have our public records and repo package. It's only $1,500. We remove collection accounts, charged off credit cards. We'll remove 1 bankruptcy, 1 repossession. We'll remove judgments, tax liens, and 1 impoundment. We also have a payment plan for this package. You can choose 3 monthly payments of $500 or 4 monthly payments of $375. When you make your first payment on the payment plan, we start working. Our next package is the Works package. It's $2,500. We remove collections, charged off credit cards, multiple bankruptcies, multiple repossessions, multiple judgments, multiple tax liens, multiple foreclosures, and apartments. We have 2 payment plans, 5 monthly payments of $500, or you can choose 6 monthly payments of $416. Rapid removal package is $3,500. It's completed in 60 to 90 days, meaning all the negative accounts, we're pushing it fast to get it done. Most people see a lot of the things come off their credit report realistically within 30 to 45 days, but we say 60 to 90 days just in case we need a little bit more time to send out another technique. We're backing up for a minute. I want to go back in and discuss the package's time frame to complete. The time frame to remove inquiries off the credit report, we're estimating this 30 to 60 days. 60 days, these inquiries should be removed off your credit report. Collections package, up to 10 collections. We're estimating the time frame is at 4 months. Majority of the time, it's done within 60 to 90 days. The collections and charge-offs package. The time frame to complete this, we're estimating this in between 4 to 12 months. Does it take the full 12 months to remove these items off? No. On the public records and repo, the same. We're going to estimate 4 to 12 months. Most of our clients are done within 4 to 6 month time period, but we give ourselves 4 to 12 months just in case we come across something that requires a little bit more time. The Works package is $2,500. The Works package, the time frame, we're saying 4 to 12 months on this package. Most of our clients are finished within 4 to 6 months, but just in case we come across a situation that requires a little bit more time. The only package where we guarantee that will be completed within 60 to 90 days is the rapid removal package. And most of our clients are finished within 30 to 45 days, but we're saying 60 to 90 days time frame completed. As far as results, things coming off people's credit report, I have to let people know legally we can't guarantee you 100% of everything's going to come off the credit report. We just can't. Do we have clients that get 100% of everything deleted? Yes, all the time. That's the goal. But letting you know, you should expect to see 80 to 90% of the negative items come off your credit report. What we stand behind is getting your credit scores where they need to be so you can be approved for their home loan, car loan, business loan. I want people to take a look at the cost of having bad credit. Some people look at the prices and say, hey, I don't want to pay this on credit. I don't know if it's worth it. Let me show you exactly how much bad credit can cost you. Take a look at the total interest paid on this $20,000 car loan over 5 years. Take a look at good, damaged, and bad credit. You'll see the interest rate is 2% for good credit, 10% for damaged credit, and 20% for bad credit. Take a look at the interest each one pays. Good credit, you're only paying $1,033.60 in interest. Keep in mind, you still have to pay that $20,000 car loan back. So that person will pay back $21,033.60. The monthly payment is $350.50 monthly. Let's jump down to bad credit. They had a 20% interest rate. The interest they pay back is $11,792.80. So they would pay back $31,792.80 for that same $20,000 car loan. And their monthly payment is $529.88 monthly over 5 years. So you can see bad credit is expensive. If I could save you $11,792.80, would it be worth it? Of course it would. We want to do the same thing for home loan. I want to show you all how expensive bad credit really is. Take a look at the total interest paid on a $150,000 home loan over 30 years. Good credit, 5.5% interest rate. They pay back $104,404.40. Monthly payment is $706.67 monthly. Bad credit, 19% interest rate. They're paying back over $400,000 in interest for the same $150,000 home loan, which is terrible. The monthly payment is $1,905.46 monthly. People, you do not want a bad credit home loan. That's a no-no. If I could save you from paying $400,000 in interest, do you think it's worth you getting started with Credit Comeup with one of our credit plans? Of course it is. Removing negative accounts is very important, but just as important is having some positive payment history on your credit report. You choose the credit limit you want reported and you pay the fee below. Keep in mind, the larger limit credit cards increase your scores higher, and it also sets the standard what the other banks approve you for. So if you have a $1,000 credit limit on your credit report, that's what the banks approve you for. If you have a $20,000 credit limit on your credit report, that sets the standard for what the banks approve you for. You choose the credit limit of the secured loan you want reporting on your credit report, and the cost is right below it. Just another technique that's going to help establish a strong credit profile for you. Secured loans to build credit. So we have a program to get you approval on $20,000 to $60,000 in the form of a loan, line of credit, and credit cards. If you're not a member of Credit Comeup, you pay a $600 entry fee, and you also pay us 15% on the approved amounts. If you're a member of Credit Comeup, you pay a $0 entry fee, and you pay us 10% on approved amounts. We also do business credit, approval from $20,000 to $100,000. The entry fee is $2,000 for non-members, and you pay us a 15% fee on the approved amounts. And for members, your fee is only $1,000 for the entry fee, and you pay us 10% on approved amounts. I recommend that you download the app immediately. It's free. Create your username and your password so you can log in. This is our social site platform for our members. We're going to post credit information. We're going to teach you about credit. You're going to get a chance to see other members experiencing positive results. They'll post deletions on here. You'll see their scores going up. You get a chance to share in this synergy. So it's very important for you to log into the app and interact with us. Next, we're going to pull up a copy of your credit report from all 3 credit bureaus so that our staff can review your credit report. We charge $30 for our time of looking over your credit report, and it's $1 for the actual credit report. Once we review your credit report, we will let you know what package is best for your credit situation, and we'll get the process rolling. Thank you for taking time for watching this video. Get back in touch with the credit expert that put you in front of this video.